Dominique. So I'm here to show you some of my newer products and how to use them. This is our brown sugar and honey face scrub. We got some new labels. They're really pretty. This is our rose water. Our turmeric face wash. It smells really good. And then I'm gonna follow it up with my Glo Girl Face Serum. There's dried carnations in there. I don't know if you can see those, but. And then follow up with my new lip gloss, Nubian Queen. It smells like brownies. So first we're gonna get started with washing our face. I'm gonna use some warm water. Face wet. Okay. Then this is my personal one, but I'm gonna use the face wash. Don't need a lot, just a little bit. This wash is formulated for all skin types, so anyone can use them, and it will leave your face refreshed and clean and whatnot. And this one also will help to even skin tone if you're having some trouble with that. Since it's made with turmeric, turmeric has several good properties for the skin, such as antibacterial, even in the skin tone, and so many others. So you're just gonna wash your face really good. It smells so good. And then we're gonna rinse. Okay, so we got that rinsed off really good. Face still kind of damp. Okay, so now we're gonna follow up with the face scrub. Each scrub comes with this little scoop so you can keep your hands out of it, keep any nasties from getting into it, avoid any water and all of that. So you're gonna scoop out. You don't need a lot to use this face scrub. And it's made with brown sugar, so it's gentle enough to be used multiple times a week. So you're gonna scrub and focus on those problem spots that you may be having. And getting it nice and good. I have a couple blackheads right here, so I want to get rid of those. So we're gonna exfoliate really good to get that out. And then you are just going to rinse it off. Water get hot. Rinse all of that sugar off. Don't want to leave any sugar on your face afterwards. Just gonna rinse. And then I'm just gonna wipe it down one more time to make sure we didn't leave any excess sugar anywhere. Okay, so now you see face already glowing, clean, you know. So now we're going to follow up with the rose water toner. It's very refreshing, so I like to just spray. And then just spray that all over. So that way your face is kind of damp. It helps the face serum absorb easier into your skin. So we're gonna use the Glo Girl Serum. You don't need a lot of this, just a little bit. So I'll put a drop or two there, one on my cheek, chin, and then nose. So then you wanna take upwards motions to help to rub this into your skin. You don't want to pull it or tug on your skin too much because it can cause it to tear and cause unnecessary damage and whatnot. So you're just gonna pat that all in like so, and then just let that sit on your face for just a minute, 5 minutes at the most. You know it's a good serum if it absorbs pretty quickly on its own. So that's all sitting and waiting for the face cream. While we do that, I'm gonna put a little eye cream on. This is a cream that I made myself as well, so it's in the testing phases now before it reaches our website. It also smells really good. It's made with some shea butter. It's shea butter in here. There's some different essential oils that are good for the eyelids and whatnot, as well as vitamin E. Okay. So my toner, or my face serum, has sat long enough. So now I'm just gonna follow it up with face cream. This is also a face cream that I made as well, so we're testing that also. So you use the same techniques as you did to put in your face serum to ensure even distribution. Okay. Face glowing and no makeup necessary. And this face cream will leave your skin moisturized for a while. It'll last all day. So you don't have to worry about your face getting dry or anything like that. Okay. And then as promised, Nubian Queen. Lip gloss smells so good. Got sugar on my neck. That's why y'all make sure you get all that sugar off. Sugar be falling everywhere. But face is glowing. My skin feels amazing. Lips are highly moisturized. So I'll post everything in the description, as well as the website, the products that I used, and where you can find them. Until next time.